As students work on their sustainability projects, they'll find the support they need readily available with the tools built into Snow Leopard. These include accessibility features, versatile search tools, and a full dictionary. By using universal access tools in Snow Leopard, students with diverse needs can use and share the same technology as the other students in their groups. Students who are visually impaired or blind can use VoiceOver, full-featured screen reading technology, to have text and descriptions of items on screen read aloud and to hear audio cues when events happen. To turn on VoiceOver, click the System Preferences icon in the dock and click Universal Access. Turn VoiceOver on and off with these buttons.
Welcome to VoiceOver.
Now, holding down the Control and Option keys at the same time, use the arrow keys to move around the screen and hear items read aloud.
When using this computer, I would like seeing selected tab.
VoiceOver uses an advanced synthesized voice named Alex to deliver natural-sounding speech. Among other tasks, VoiceOver can say keys being pressed,
Command, Shift,
read options in a dialogue,
are you sure you want to quit Safari?
sound an alert when a word is misspelled,
Misspelled, sustainability.
and read text on a web page.
Agriculture is a double-edged sword when it comes to the environment. It has the power to revitalize the landscape, cultivate healthy.
VoiceOver also allows the keyboard to be used instead of the mouse. Customizing VoiceOver for each student is easy with VoiceOver Utility, which can be opened from the Utilities folder in the Applications folder.
VoiceOver Utility, Window, VoiceOver Utility, Utility Categories, Table, 1 row selected, Column 1 of 1, General, has keyboard focus.
Here, VoiceOver can be adjusted to meet the needs of each individual student. Students can save these settings on a flash drive to use on other computers, such as those in a computer lab. Just connect a USB flash drive to a Mac, then choose Set up Portable Preferences from the File menu.
File menu, 6 item. Set up portable preferences, interact with dialog for Window, VoiceOver Utility.
Now, when you connect the flash drive to another computer, VoiceOver will automatically use those settings. VoiceOver also works with refreshable Braille displays. Just connect one to the Mac and turn on VoiceOver. The display then gives you access to the screen content on your Mac in Braille format. Plus, VoiceOver Utility provides a visual display of the Braille output for sighted users so they can follow along.
It takes anywhere from 20 to 1,000 years for a centimeter of topsoil to form, yet in the 200 years.
A quick way to turn on VoiceOver is by pressing the Command and F5 keys on the keyboard, a shortcut students might want to use when they're working at someone else's computer.
VoiceOver on, Finder, Desktop, Empty Desktop.
When you're done using VoiceOver, press the same keys again to turn it off.
VoiceOver off.
In addition to using VoiceOver, students can use the text-to-speech feature to have selected text read aloud from almost any application. First, select the text, then hold down the Control key on your keyboard and click the text. Choose Speech and then choose Start Speaking.
Of the dates you suggested, Tuesday, March 9th from 1 to 3:30 would work best for me.
Students can also use Zoom and the scalable cursor to view items on screen. These tools are also helpful when you're presenting on-screen information to the class. Zoom lets you move closer to parts of the screen. To zoom in and out, hold down the Control key on the keyboard while scrolling with your mouse. To make the on-screen cursor easier to see, in Universal Access Preferences, click Mouse or Mouse and Trackpad, depending on if you have a MacBook or a desktop computer. Then drag the cursor size slider to see the change in what the pointer will look like. If students have trouble hearing the computer's alert sounds, they can have the computer's screen flash instead of playing a sound. Click Hearing, then click the checkbox to have the flash appear when an alert sound is played. The next time an alert sound occurs, the screen will flash. By customizing these features for the needs of each learner, all students can work side by side and effectively collaborate on the same projects. As students work on their projects, they'll accumulate many files on their computers. Spotlight makes it easy to keep track of files and provides instantaneous search results for anything on your Mac. To start looking, click the Spotlight icon in the menu bar and type a term in the field. The results start appearing as soon as you start typing and are organized by file type. You don't have to remember a file's name to find it. Spotlight looks at the actual contents of the files, such as the text in a PDF or an email. Spotlight even searches the text of recent web pages you visited. Press the return key to select the first result, or click a result to open it. Searches can be narrowed using different criteria. Click Show All above the list of results. A student may know when a file was created, but not its name or any text in it. Click the plus button to refine the search terms. In this case, choose Created Date from the first pop-up menu, and then the time period. All files created during that time period are listed. The same options can be used to look for files by the date they were last opened or modified. To flip through previews of the files that are listed, click the cover flow icon. Move the slider to flip through the files. Students can quickly look up words as they work on their projects. Snow Leopard includes a system-wide dictionary that gives easy access to the New Oxford American Dictionary and the Oxford American Writer's Thesaurus. Open Dictionary from the Applications folder. Then start typing a word. Dictionary displays a list of words from which to choose. To find synonyms for the same word, just click Thesaurus. With an internet connection, you can also click Wikipedia to see the entry for that term. You can also access a word's definition from most other applications, such as Safari, without even typing the word in Dictionary. Hold down the Control key and click the word, then choose Lookup in Dictionary. With these tools, students can work productively, knowing that they can get the support they need with the tools built into Snow Leopard.